Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to speed up your computer and laptop. Sometimes your computer takes long time to start up, or when you click on something the process goes on and you have to wait for longer period to open any application or file folder. How we can do some basic things to avoid these problems. First thing that we are going to learn is to remove desktop files. Here we will move rarely used file folders in drives. If these files and folders are on your desktop and if it is occupying space, it will slow up your computer. So we are going to move a file or folder in computer's drive, and then we will create shortcut for these files and folders and any software that we use frequently. Now here we are going to see how we can move file or folder, and then after we are going to create shortcut for the same folder on desktop. So here you can see on this desktop there is one folder. We are going into properties and see the size 1.63 GB. So this is consuming large amount of data. So we are going into a drive and cut and paste this folder in this drive. So now we have moved that folder. It is removed from desktop and we have copied it into a drive. So the process is going here. So the process of copying you can see here. Now after copying process is done, now you can see that it is removed from desktop. Now go to the location where we have pasted it, right click on it and then send to desktop. Now see on the desktop, see there shortcut is created. Now we are going to see size of this shortcut. It is 744 bytes instead of 1.63 GB. Now whenever we want to work in this folder, we can double click on this shortcut and open that folder to work. Now let's create shortcut for any application that we require frequently. For that, type application name in the search bar, for example MS Word here. Now right click on that name, click on open file location. Now here you are getting that file Word 2016. Right click here, again go to after right click send to desktop, create shortcut. Now let's see. Now you can see this desktop shortcut icon here. You can open Microsoft Word by clicking here. Now another thing we are going to learn is customizing startup applications. There are few default applications that start when you start your computer. When you power on your computer, these applications and software start automatically. So they consume lot of space on your RAM and makes your computer to boot up slowly. So we are going to learn here how to stop these applications which are not necessary while booting up computer. Now in search bar here, type msconfig, that is ms config, that is for system configuration. Then click on open. Now here you have different tabs. First one is general, second boot, third is services, where we are going to make changes. So here click on this checkbox, hide all Microsoft services. Then click on disable all. These many services are there which are already running when you start your computer. Now disable all, click apply and OK. Then you will able to see few tick marks are done automatically again. So these are compulsory services, so you can leave it as it is, or again you can remove and click on OK button. Now it will ask you to restart your computer. When you restart your computer, these changes will be applied to your computer and your computer will boot up faster. Next topic of learning here is cleaning up temporary files and folders. Now whenever you use any software or application, or when you open any file, or when you are browsing on internet, there are temporary files which are created automatically in C drive. So we are going to see how to delete these files. For that, first of all, in search bar type %temp%. %temp%, that is shortcut to open this folder. Click on open. Now you will able to see here I have recently removed these temporary files, so there are few files only, but sometimes these files are in hundreds and storage of this type of files are in GBs. So select all files and click on delete. These temporary files, after deleting these temporary files, you will get enough space on your C drive.